Right now, two massive storms are heading straight toward each other, and when they collide, everything will change. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our in-depth weather coverage, where we don't just look at the forecast, but also break down the extremely complex atmospheric movements that are quietly shaping the weather across the United States. And right from the start, get ready, because a very significant weather scenario is unfolding. Two large storm systems are about to collide right over the middle of the United States, and this could create a widespread severe weather event including damaging winds, large to very large hail, tornadoes, some of which could be strong, and even the risk of flash flooding from heavy rain. Just hearing that already makes you think, wow, this is intense. Before we begin, please support us by liking the video and subscribing to the VTB Tien 8 channel to stay updated with the latest weather forecasts. Two storms, one collision point. Currently, a trough is extending from southern Canada down into the northern Rockies of the United States. Right beneath it, a surface low-pressure system is rapidly developing. This will lead to heavy snow across southern Canada, but at the same time, severe weather breaking out across the plains, central U.S. And it doesn't stop there. Off the west coast, a second trough is waiting in the wings. This system will move onshore over the weekend, then track into the central U.S. and trigger additional rounds of thunderstorms. The result? A widespread storm threat is coming, lasting multiple days, not just a single event. Jet stream, the highway for storms. A very important factor right now is the subtropical jet stream. Over the next 24 hours, moisture will be pulled in from the eastern Pacific. At the same time, it will combine with moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. This combination creates an environment that is very moist, highly unstable, and extremely favorable for thunderstorm development. Heading into early next week, the jet stream strengthens. Atmospheric dynamics increase. This is when the severe weather threat peaks. Severe weather risk today. Today, the most dangerous area is east central Kansas, including Topeka and Wichita. In this region, thunderstorms may develop in large numbers. There is a risk of multiple strong storms. Additionally, from Minnesota down to the Red River Valley, a moderate risk exists. A broader area may see scattered storms. Tomorrow, expanding southward. Tomorrow, the system shifts south, impacting Dallas, Fort Worth, Little Rock, Jackson, Mississippi, northern Louisiana. And here's the key point. All severe weather hazards are possible. Damaging winds, large hail, tornadoes. Dryline, the deadly boundary. One of the key features is the dryline, dry moist boundary. To the west, very dry air, dew points around 20 degrees Fahrenheit. To the east, extremely moist air, dew points up to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. When these two air masses collide, explosive storm development, storm evolution, from supercells to a storm line. Initially, storms will develop as supercells. These are the most dangerous type, capable of producing tornadoes. Later, they merge into a long line, QLCS. At that stage, wind gusts can reach up to 110 km per hour, 70 miles per hour. Spin-up tornadoes can still occur along the leading edge. Heavy rain and flood risk. Another major concern, flooding. Areas like Wisconsin, Iowa, Illinois are already saturated. If more rain falls, the Mississippi River, Wisconsin Rock River could overflow significantly, snow in the north. While the central U.S. deals with storms, southern Canada will see over 30 centimeters of snowfall. Stark contrast, north snowstorm, central severe convective storms. Weekend, second storm system. This is the most concerning part. Over the weekend, the second system moves in. Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas. Once again, a widespread severe weather outbreak is possible. Sunday and Monday, peak impact Sunday, storms continue to intensify. Monday, peak danger. Major cities impacted, St. Louis, Chicago, Indianapolis, Nashville, Memphis, especially areas along the jet nose. This is where lift is strongest, storms are most intense. Risk of tornadoes plus widespread damaging winds. Total rainfall. As both systems combine, a band of heavy rain stretches from Mississippi Valley, Ohio Valley, Tennessee Valley. Rainfall amounts could exceed 50 millimeters. This increases the risk of river flooding, widespread flooding. Temperatures, warm, then cold. Before the storms, warm, almost summer-like air. After the storms, cold air moves in. Early May, a trend toward cooler than normal conditions. Early May outlook. A major pattern shift. The trough shifts to the east. Cold air moves in. However, the model may be overestimating the cold. One key factor, drought in the southeast U.S. may lead to warmer actual temperatures. Good news for agriculture? If the pattern holds, the Midwest may see less rain, better conditions for planting. Meanwhile, the southeast receives needed rainfall summary. This is not a single storm, but a multi-day sequence of storm systems with risks including tornadoes, damaging winds, large hail, flooding. Once again, wow, truly intense. If you are in affected areas, please monitor weather alerts. Prepare a safety plan. Do not be complacent. Thank you for watching today's forecast. If you found this helpful, don't forget, like the video, share with friends, subscribe to VTB Tien 8 to stay updated. See you in the next forecast, and stay safe during this extreme weather event.